So here we are at Dollar General, guys. Let's check out their frames, their wall decor, and whatever else is in this aisle, guys. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have some window curtains over here. I'm absolutely loving this design over here. Is $12. Here is energy saving blackout. That one is $12. So you have these designs right here, guys. Very pretty. Then you have the matching curtain. You have the curtain rods. So you have the accessories to hang this stuff. This design here is $10 and this one here is $13. Then you have some more along the bottom. Now these wire baskets, I'm loving them with that copper handle, $4.50. Then here you have this organizer, a 6-shelf organizer, and this is $10. Like, I'm really liking this. These collapsible totes here, these are $10. So this one says things and this one says stuff. Then you have the collapsible these collapsible bins that you can get at Dollar Tree for $1. Here they're $4, guys. So then you have some more of these. These are $2. Okay, and then you have these. These are kind of cute, guys. I'm really liking these with the leather handle. So these are $12. Then you have this ladder bookcase. I think that's neat. So that's $22, and there's a cube organizer for $16. I didn't even know you can get cube organizers here. So you have the 2 cube for $16, and the bookcase, a 2-tier bookcase for $18. So then we come into the books. So these books randomly, guys, I'm just gonna scan them through. Okay, they range $2, $3. Okay, they have them mixed in here all over the place, and they go to $3. So then if we come over here, we're gonna get to their candles here. So this one here, True Living, is $5. Then you have that in the vanilla sugar. Okay, here you have Bahamas Sky, that's $5. Okay, Tahitian vanilla, that's $5. Fresh linen, $5, and I'm liking that. I'm really liking that. And this one. Isn't that pretty? I love the way that looks. Those are $5, guys. And look at this design. Those are really nice. And look at this one. So this is Sunset Papaya. This is Vanilla Honey. This is Sugar Cherry Merlot. And then this one is Blue Lava. And they're all $5. So here you have, now guys, the same exact tea lights. And you know I point this stuff out to you guys because I try to compare prices. So here you have the same exact candles, same exact ones, the votives, inside of the glass. 2 for $5 here. They cost $1 at Dollar Tree. And that's a random frame. It's $4. Okay, then you have these, hyacinth and hibiscus. I don't know how these smell. They smell kind of nice. They're by Freshworks, and those are $5. Then you have these candles here. Here they cost $5. Now I know they're on clearance, but even if they were on clearance, guys, you can get these for $1 at Dollar Tree. Then you have some wax warmers for $5, and some of this stuff that's 10% off is gone. So I'm saying candles along the bottom there. So now we look at their wall decor. Let me show you up here. I think this is galvanized metal for $6, and I'm really liking that. Lantern for $4, either 4 or 6. Then you have these kind of picture frames here, guys. I like this. This is $4, and look at them. So I just want to scan the picture frames there for you. And then if we come to home decor, okay, let's take a look at that. So this here, what does that say? Things, dream, think positive, work hard. That wall decor, look at that, doesn't have a price, but I think it's $10, either $10 or $8. Then you have this one here. It says, love grows in a house like this. Let love grow and grow in grace. Okay, that one is $8, guys. So then you have this home sign here with the keys. That one is $5. Then you have this one here. This is $10. Okay, they have 3 of the same kind. So, okay, so they have this kind right here for $10. I don't know. if these are all together. So let me put these back and let's see what else they have, guys. Okay, so this picture frame here says memories. That one over there says be bold. That's really neat. Then you have that one over there says faith, believe, and dream. That's really cool. And this shadow box here says faith, hope, and love. That's $3. And this one says love lives here for $4. Then you have that one over there that says bless our nest. That one is $6. So then you have this one over here that says love grows best in a house like this. $5. I like that. Then look at this one. Life is beautiful. $6. That's really pretty. That one says kitchen meals and memories made here. And then you have that one back there. That's Psalm 107:1. Give thanks to the Lord for he is good. His love endures forever. That's really pretty. And then you have this one. Live, laugh, love. And then faith, family, friends. $5, guys. That one over there says dream, imagine, and create. That's pretty neat. Now look at these, guys. Let me see if I can turn this around. Okay, this cow appears everywhere. He really does. I think I just saw him at Walmart. Okay, so that's a little too farmhouse for me, but here's the farm that he belongs to, guys. That one is $8. I think he belongs in that farm. And here's the cow. So that's pretty neat. And those are $8. I didn't tell you. So this one here says having somewhere to go is home. Having someone to love is family. And having both is a blessing. That is so sweet. Oh, here's the other cow. Okay, so this one is wooden and it has a twine hanger. So that's $6. And then that one over there says Amazing Grace. Isn't that adorable? Guys, that's beautiful. Okay, so this one says laundry service, self-service, 24 hours, wash and dry. Okay, is what they call their dollar area. Okay, so I'm just gonna scan that through, guys. Some of the things are pretty nice, but they're a little bit mixed up today. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General just to check out what's new, and I will see you guys in another video.